Hello, hi, namaste. This is Deepak Sar here. House of Commerce welcomes you all. Well, after having understood what is marketing and what is marketing management, let's come to what is marketing environment. Marketing environment refers to all those factors and forces that affect marketers' ability to develop and maintain profitable business with its customers. I am repeating, it refers to all those factors and forces that affect marketers' ability to develop and maintain profitable business with its customers. Now the question is, what are these factors and where does it exist? These factors may be internal or external or both, like employees, customers, political, economic, technological, social factors that surround the business. And these environmental factors affect the strategy, policy and decisions of the business. फिलिप पुटलर ये कहते हैं मार्केटिंग एनवायरनमेंट रेफर्स टू एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स एंड फोर्सेस that affect the company's ability to develop and maintain successful transactions and relationship with its target customers. Classification of marketing environment. Marketing environment is divided into two parts. One is internal environment or controllable factors. Another one is external environment or uncontrollable factors. Internal environment. Internal environment refers to all those factors and forces that exist inside the organization. These factors may include your human resources, financial resources, plan and policies, company's vision and mission and its objectives, research and development facilities, interpersonal relationship with employees, corporate image, corporate culture, so many. In a nutshell, we can group these factors into five aims of business, that is man, money, machinery, market and materials. Yeah, internal environment must have to be changed with the change of external environment. जदि एक्सटर्नाल एनवायरनमेंट चेंज होची अकॉर्डिंगली बिजनेस को मध्य तार इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट को चेंज करने को पड़िबो. व्हाई? फॉर एग्जांपल, आम यंग जनरेशन जेबे आम शॉपिंग करने को जाती ऑनलाइन हो बा कौन सी मॉल हो, मैक्सिमम टाइम आम कौन करती स्किनी जीन्स, शॉर्ट ड्रेस, नो मूवी रो डायलॉग जोड़ा प्रिंट होता है टी शर्ट रे सेटा नहले योर सो कॉल्ड चिराफटा जीन्स दैट इज डिस्ट्रेस जीन्स ताको मैं चॉइस करी. जदि बिजनेस थ्रू मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज कस्टमर नीड जानी पारला नहीं, ट्रेंड कौन जानी पारला नहीं, कस्टमर चाहूँगी शर्ट ड्रेस स्किनी जीन्स ताको आइडेंटिफाई करि पारला नहीं, अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप करि पारला नहीं, बिजनेस विल लूज इट्स कस्टमर बेस कमी गले बिजनेस विल lose its market share. So lagi internal environment is under the control of the business. एठी कस्टमर मानकर नीड ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल रे चेंजेस आछि बा फूड हैबिट रे चेंजेस आछि, से हिसाब रे कंपनी मध्य निजर स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान पॉलिसी तैयार करिवो टू मीट द नीड ऑफ द कस्टमर्स, to face the trend or to achieve the trend of the market. Clear? Well, next we will see external environment. It includes those factors and forces that exist outside the organization. These factors are not controlled by the business, that means it is uncontrollable in nature. External environment is further divided into or bifurcated into two parts, that is micro and macro environment. Now we will see micro environment. Micro environment, these factors refers to immediate periphery of an organization, that means they are very close to the business, and these factors directly influence the business on a regular basis. That's why it is also known as task environment. Clear? Now the question is, what are the micro environmental factors that have direct influence on business activities? They are company, customers, suppliers, intermediaries, competitor and public. Company consists of board of directors, functional managers, right? They make plans, policies and take decisions regarding new product development, market expansion, decisions regarding accounting and finance, research and development, so many. Clear? And customers, they are the actual buyer of goods and services, and their buying behavior is influenced by cultural, social and psychological factors. Types of customers are 5 types. First one is consumer consumer, right? They are the individual or household who buys the goods and services for his personal consumption, for his personal use. They are the end user of the product. आमे vegetables किणुचे खाइबा लगी, बुक किणुचे पढ़िबा लगी, ड्रेस किणुचे पिंधिबा लगी. We are the end user of the product. So we are the consumer. Business market, they are buying goods and services for further processing. गोटे कंपनी बा बिजनेस सुगर केन किणुची ताकू फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग करिकी सुगर तैयारी करिबो. Here business is also a customer. Clear? Next is reseller or retailer. They buy the goods and services in order to resell them in the market at a profit. They are also customers. And government, how government is a customer? Government, government agencies who buy goods and services in order to produce public service or transfer them to the needy person. We have seen the टंकिया चाउल, kerosene, free laptop distribution to meritorious students, Ujjwala gas. Aku जो मानसु किणुचंती for rendering services to the public, they are also customers. Clear? Then next factor of micro environment, that is supplier. Supplier, they provide goods or resources to the business for producing goods and services. See, getting quality material with standard price at the right time assist the business to produce right product. Here I have mentioned timely availability of material, standard price, quality of material, forms right product. Clear? See, suppliers are also a part of value chain who work together with the company to deliver value to customers. That's why most marketers treat the suppliers as their partners. Clear? Next factor is competitor. Competitors are those who sell the goods and services of similar nature in the same market. Keeping a close watch on the competitor enables a company to design its marketing strategy according to the trend prevailing in the market. While analyzing the market, analyzing the competitor, a company should monitor these three variables. What are these? Share of market, share of mind, share of heart. Share of market is only achieved by share of mind and share of heart. What is share of mind? Share of mind means creating and maintaining public awareness of your organization and of your product. कस्टमर मानक माइंड रे गोटे ब्रांड इमेज क्रिएट करवा तुम प्रोडक्टर. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द मार्केट यदि आम टूथपेस्ट कथा देखा टूथपेस्टर रेड डाबर अच्छी, कोलगेट अच्छी, सेंसोडाइन अच्छी, पेप्सोडेंट अच्छी, क्लोजअप अच्छी, तुमर पतंजलि कौन एटा यार दंतकांति सेटा भी अच्छी. दे आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग द अटेंशन ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर डूइंग प्रमोशन, दे आर डूइंग एक्टिविटीज. कौन पाई? कस्टमर मानक माइंड रे गोटे इमेज क्रिएट करबा लगी तांको ब्रांड रो. दैट इज कॉल्ड शेयर ऑफ माइंड. व्हाट इज शेयर ऑफ हार्ट? शेयर ऑफ हार्ट, शेयर ऑफ हार्ट जो कि आम से इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉजिक आम से इमोशन देखी था. यदि पर्सनाली मो कथा मुझे एत टूथपेस्ट थी मु सेंसोडाइन यूज कर बिकज मत भल लगुच तुम किसी इमोशन आटाचमेंट अच्छी से लगी. जदि जदि मुझे जन कस्टमर इमोशन आटाचमेंट जो कौन सी प्रोडक्ट किणुची बा जदि शेयर ऑफ माइंड थ्रू रे प्रोडक्ट किना जाउची अल्टीमेटली सेल्स वॉल्यूम विल बी इंक्रीज्ड. सेल्स वॉल्यूम विल बी जदि सेल्स वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज है अल्टीमेटली द कंपनी विल हैव लार्ज मार्केट शेयर. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट फैक्टर that is intermediaries. They are middlemen, distributing agencies who help the company to sell and distribute its goods to the final buyer. In case of zero level channel, there is no middleman. That means goods will be distributed directly from producer to customer. In case of one level channel, there is one middleman called retailer. In case of two level channel, there is two middlemen. Who are they? Wholesaler and retailer. Clear. Next factor, public. Public are any group that has an actual or potential interest in your business and affects the company's ability to serve its customers. They are government, media, bank, general public, employees, labor unions, so many. Clear. The business has some social responsibility towards society in which it is operating. Thus